Hey there everybody. Well, October's over. It's time to plant some garlic. Soil temperature here is right around 50 degrees, and that's about when you should plant your garlic. But first I got to do something to the soil out here to give it a little bit more nutrients. So I'm going to be moving some compost in and then planting some garlic. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some dirt. Because as you can see, the sink down, the material inside composted down a little bit. So now I'm going to add some regular dirt, and then I'm going to add some compost to it. Now I also have a leftover bag of potting soil. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in just for funsies. Spin it around so I can show you my compost. Give it a good spin. Flip it upside down. Put my bucket underneath. We got some of this compost here. Have a few roots in here I got to take out. Alright, so now I'm going to be starting to plant my garlic. This is machichi. I also have my favorite Russian red, and this is Georgian fire. So I'm going to go ahead and do the machichi and the Georgian fire in this bed, and the other bed will be all Russian red. So with the garlic, you want to plant it this end up about 4 or 5 inches deep. Now, I'd usually go about that far apart with mine. So I really love garlic. I love putting it into with my hot sauces. I love putting it in the spaghetti sauces. And I just feel you just can't do anything that with the store-bought garlic elephant ear things that you can do with the regular homegrown garlic. I'm going to break open one of these Georgian fires. Smells awesome. And by the way, all my garlic is hardneck garlic. You see, little stem here. Break it apart. That's your hardneck right there. For some reason, I just like to taste the taste of hard neck garlic better than soft neck garlic. Still got some left over. Be cooking something up tonight with this. Now for the Russian red. Russian red tends to be a little bit smaller. It does really pack a punch, and it's another hard neck garlic. All right, now that I got all these put in here, I'm going to rake them over really softly. Make sure I got them all covered with soil. Go over here to this side. And then I got one more thing to do before I finish this off. I'm going to put a light coat of leaves over the top of these. That way it'll keep any weeds that might want to start popping up from seeing the light. And also when it does start to sprout, we get a really heavy frost, it might save some of the plant. Also help it retain water. Keep the leaves from all flying away. This is where I put my corn stalks from the year. And I can take all this off in the spring. This bed's ready to go. All right, my garlic is planted. It's all ready to go. I don't have to do anything until the spring when I just have to take these off and make sure I get water to them. Took me about 2 hours to do this, to plant my garlic, and that's about it. Pretty easy crop. It also likes partial shade. That way it does really good with my grapevines here. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hey, give me a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.